Good morning, students. Today, I will explain the worksheet based on the calorimeter. Here, three different liquids A, B, C are having same specific capacity with mass m, and 2m and 3m have different temperatures 20 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius respectively. If they are mixed, then find the resultant temperature. So three liquids A, B and C having same specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity and masses m, 2m and 3m have temperatures 40 degrees Celsius, temperatures first one 20 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius. Then find the temperature of the mixture. If A and B are mixed, then what is the resultant temperature? Next, A and C are mixed, then find the resultant temperature. Next, B and C mixed, then find the resultant temperature. The same time, A plus B plus C are mixed. Three liquids are mixed together, then find the resultant temperature T value. Then find the resultant temperature. The first one. So if A and B are mixed together, then find the resultant temperature. So temperature of A and B is given. So it is A liquid, it is B liquid. First one. Okay. So here mass of liquid M, first liquid equal to M, and the specific heat capacity S1 equal to S and T1 is given, that is equal to 20 degrees Celsius. Next, B liquid, here M2 equal to M and S2 equal to S and T2 equal to 40 degrees Celsius. These two are mixed together, then find the resultant temperature. So here T equal to M1 S1 T1 plus M2 S2 T2 by M1 S1 plus M2 S2. It is a resultant temperature of the mixture. If A and B are mixed, then find T. T equal to M1 equal to M into S into T1 20 degrees Celsius plus M2 2M S2 S and temperature equal to 40 degrees Celsius by M1 M into S, M2 equal to 2M into S. So here T equal to 20 MS plus 2 into 40 80. So here 80 MS ms by 3 ms. So here ms get cancelled. The remaining value of temperature of the mixture T equal to 100 by 3, that is equal to 33.3 degree Celsius. It is the temperature of the mixture. So here temperature of the mixture equal to 33.3 will come down. So T equal to 33 degree Celsius. It is the temperature of A and B. Resultant temperature of A and B equal to 33.3 degree Celsius. Okay. Next, A and C are mixed together. Here A and C are mixed together. Then find resultant temperature. So B, sorry, C. So here C mass, that is M3 equal to 3M and S. S3 equal to S and T3 equal to 60 degrees Celsius. 60 degrees Celsius. These two are mixed together. Then find the resultant temperature. So T equal to M1 S1 T1 plus next liquid of mass equal to M3M. So that means we can write here M3 S3 into T3 by M1 S1 plus M3 S3 M3 S3. So here first body of first liquid of mass M, specific capacity S, temperature equal to 20 degrees Celsius plus M3 3M S3 S into temperature equal to 60 degrees Celsius by M1 equal to M S plus M3 equal to 3M S3 equal to S. So T equal to 20 ms plus 3 into 60 180 ms by ms plus 3 ms, that is equal to 4 ms. 20 ms plus 180 ms, that is equal to 200 ms by 4 ms. So here ms will cancel. 2 2s 200, 2 ones here 250. So T equal to 20 degrees Celsius. T equal to 20 degrees Celsius. If A and C are two liquids with different mass, with different temperatures, with equal specific heat capacity, then resultant temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. We got 20 degrees Celsius. Listen here. M1 equal to M, S1 equal to S, T1 equal to 20 degrees Celsius, M3 equal to 3M, S3 equal to M, and T3 equal to 60 degrees Celsius. These two are mixed together. Then T equal to M1 S1 T1 plus M3 S3 T3 by M1 S1 plus M3 S3. So here T1 equal to 20 degrees Celsius, M1 equal to M, S1 equal to S into 20 plus M3 equal to 3M, S3 equal to S into 60 degrees by M1 equal to M, S1 equal to S, M3 equal to 3M, S3 equal to S. So here ms plus 3ms, 4ms, ms into 20, 20 ms plus 3 into 60, 180 into ms. So 180 ms. So 20 ms plus 180 ms, that is equal 50 degree Celsius, not 20, 50 degree Celsius. That is equal to 50 degree Celsius. Sorry, 50 by 200 by 4 now. 200 by 4. Is that once again? So here 200 ms by 4 ms. So ms will cancel. 2 2s 200 sum. That is equal to 100 by 2. That is equal to 50 degree Celsius. Sorry. That is equal to 50 degree Celsius. E equal here 50 degree Celsius. Next, B and C are mixed together. B and C are mixed together. Then find here resultant temperature. Then find resultant temperature. B and C are mixed. So B liquid and C liquid. B have mass M2 equal to 2m, S2 equal to S, and T2 equal to 40 degree Celsius. T2 equal to 40 degree Celsius. These two are mixed together. Then find the resultant temperature. So T equal to M2 S2 T2 plus M3 S3 and T3 by M2 S2 plus M3 S3. So here M2 equal to M, S2 equal to S into T2 equal to 40 degree Celsius plus M3 equal to 3M, S3 equal to S, T3 equal to 60 degrees by M2 2M into S, M3 3M into S. So here T equal to 2 into 40 80 ms, 80 ms plus 3 into 60 180 into ms, 180 ms by 2 ms plus 3 ms equal to 5 ms. How much more? 180 plus 80 180 80 260. So 260 ms by 5 ms. So here ms will cancel. That equal to 260 by 5. So 260 by 5 5 5s 25 2s 10 52 degree Celsius. So by once here 552 degree Celsius. So resultant temperature of B and C, that is 52 degree Celsius. 52 degree Celsius. If B and C are mixed together, then resultant temperature is 52 degree Celsius. Listen once again. B mass M2 equal to 2M, S2 equal to S, and T2 equal to 40 degree Celsius. And C liquid of mass equal to 3M, specific heat capacity equal to S, and temperature of the C liquid equal to 60 degree Celsius. Then find the resultant temperature if these two are mixed together. Okay, then resultant temperature equal to here M2 S2 T2 plus M3 S3 T3 by M2 S2 plus M3 S3. The total value T equal to we got 80 ms plus 180 ms by 5 ms, that equal to 260 ms by 5 ms. So here ms get cancelled, remaining value 260 by 5, that equal to 52 degree Celsius. Here B and C are mixed together, then resultant temperature is 52 degree Celsius. Now here A, B, C are mixed. Here A liquid and B liquid and C liquid S1 equal to S and T1 equal to 120 degrees Celsius. Next B, M2 equal to 2M, S2 equal to S and T2 equal to 40 degrees Celsius. Next C, M3 equal to 3M, S3 equal to S and T3 equal to 60 degrees Celsius. T3 equal to 60 degrees Celsius. These three are mixed together. Then find the resultant temperature. So if these three liquids are mixed together, then resultant temperature T equal to M1 S1 T1 plus M2 S2 T2 plus M3 S3 T3 by M1 S1 plus M2 S2 plus M3 S3. It is the formula to find the resultant temperature of A, B, C are mixed together. It is the formula to find the resultant temperature of A, B and C. Now here M1 equal to M, T equal to M1 equal to M, S1 equal to S and T1 equal to 20 plus M2 equal to 2M, S2 equal to S into T2 40 plus M3 equal to 3M, S3 equal to S into 60 by M1 M S1 S M2 equal to 2M into S and M3 equal to 3M into S. Okay, listen once again. M1 MS into 20 plus 2MS into 40 plus 3MS into 60 by MS plus 2MS plus 3MS. Now MS into 20 MS T equal to 20 MS 2 MS into 40, that is 80 MS plus 3 MS into 60, 180 MS by MS plus 2 MS plus 3 MS, that is equal to 6 MS, 20 MS plus 80 MS, that is 100 MS. So 100 MS plus 180 MS by 6 MS. So here 100 plus 180, that is equal to 280. 280 MS by 6 MS by 6 MS. Listen. So MS into 20 MS plus 2 MS into 40, 80 MS plus 3 MS into 60, that is equal to 180 MS. So MS plus 2 MS plus 3 MS, that is equal to 6 MS. So 20 MS plus 80 MS, that is equal to 100 MS. 100 MS plus 180 MS, that is equal to 280 MS by 6 MS. 6 MS. So here MS, here MS we cancel. What is the T equal to 140 by 3. 140 by 3 m. That equal to 46.66 remember. So here T equal to 46.66 degree Celsius. It is the resultant temperature. It is the resultant temperature of A, B, C. Okay, listen once again. Here three liquids are given: A, B, and C. First liquid of mass M1 equal to M. Second liquid of mass M2 equal to M. And third liquid of mass M3 equal to 3M. Next, specific heat capacity of the A liquid equal to S. Specific heat capacity of the B liquid equal to S. And the specific heat capacity of the liquid number 3 equal to S. Here specific heat capacity is equal. Okay. Then temperature of A liquid equal to 20 degrees Celsius. Temperature of B liquid equal to 40 degrees Celsius. And temperature of C liquid equal to 60 degrees Celsius. Now these three are mixed together. Then find the resultant temperature. So the three liquids are mixed together. The resultant temperature formula is T equal to M1S1 T1 plus M2S2 T2 plus M3S3 T3 by M1S1 plus M2S2 plus M3S3. So here T equal to M1 into M1 equal to M, S1 equal to S into temperature T1 equal to 20 degrees Celsius. So MS into 20 ms plus M2 equal to M, S2 equal to S, 2 ms into T2, that is 40. So 2 ms into 40, 80 ms plus M3 equal to 3M, S3 equal to S, T3 equal to 60. 3 into 60, 180 into ms, 180 ms by M1S1 equal to M into S, M2 equal to 2M, S2 equal to S, 2 ms plus M3 equal to 3M into S3 equal to S, 3 ms. So here 20 ms plus 80 ms plus 180 ms by 6 ms. So 20 plus 80 that equal to 100 ms plus 180 ms. So 100 plus 180 that equal to by 6 ms. So 100 plus 180 280 ms by 6 ms. So here ms will cancel. Remaining value 280 by 6. So 280 by 6 equal to 46.66 degree Celsius. 280 by 6 equal to 46.66 degree Celsius. It is the resultant temperature of three liquids mixed together. Okay, it is the yesterday's worksheet came. So calorimeter depends on the what is the calorimeter principle? Heat energy gained by the cold body equal to heat energy given out by the hot body, both are equal. Okay, thank you.